purchased an ebook from this Instamojo page, and within seconds and in real time I received it on my Gmail. And yes, I can view this ebook and also download it right from here. You must be wondering that this is not possible, that within seconds I received the ebook. Yes, this is possible because of this amazing automation which automatically sends ebook on Instamojo payment. And in this video I'll show you how you can also set this amazing automation for your own business. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of ebooks for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. And yes, you can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you feel that it is helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use it. Alright, so now let's see how this automation can be created. So for that, we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Instamojo. So let's search for Instamojo right over here, and you have to select Instamojo V2. For the event, select it as new sale and click on this connect. You're going to receive the web URL, so just copy this web URL and open your Instamojo account. Now you have to go towards the smart pages, and as you can see that this is the page for which I want to create this automation. So go towards this three dots and the edit page of the same page for which you want to create the automation for. Now go towards this page settings from the left end of the site and then towards this webhooks. Make sure that this button is switched on. It will be switched off in your case, so just switch it on right from here. And then you have to enter the webhook URL, and then for the information to be sent, you have to select it as successful payments. Make sure to paste the correct webhook URL right over here. As you can see, I've pasted this. Now click on this save and update, and then yes, save and update. Now we have successfully added our webhook URL right over here. It is saying we have edited this page successfully and the webhook URL is added right over here. Now let's do the test submission, because right now we have created the connection between this Instamojo page and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So we have to purchase this ebook first. What we have to do is we have to go towards the smart pages, go towards the three dots and then share page, and then open this page in a new tab. Now I'm just going to purchase this. For that, go towards this enroll now, and I'm going to enter all of my details to purchase this ebook. As you can see, I've entered all my details right over here. Now I'm just going to click on this add delivery information and add the delivery information too. Now I'm just going to click on this proceed to pay button. Once I'm going to click on this, it is asking me for the payment method, so I'm just going to select it as scan and pay. Now I'm just going to scan this right over here and purchase this ebook. Alright, so let's just scan this and I'm just going to purchase this ebook right over here. So as you can see, I've successfully completed the payment and I've purchased this ebook, and it is saying payment successful. This means that we have successfully completed the payment. Now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. And now what we have to do is we have to send them the ebook. So for that, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Gmail and select it because we're going to share the ebook over Gmail. Now for the event, select it as send email, click on this connect. Now what you have to do is it is going to ask you for add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created this connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions, and your Gmail will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Enter the sender's name right right over here, select the sender's email address and then enter the recipient email address. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter this recipient email address manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So I mapped this email address. Now let's move on further. It is asking for CC, BCC, reply to and many other details, but we are only going to enter the details which are required, like this email subject. So this is the email subject which I want to use, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. For the email content, I want to send advanced HTML emails like this. So for that, I'm just going to enter the HTML email content. If you want to learn how to create a HTML email, a complete tutorial is attached right over here. Otherwise, you can use AI to generate this HTML email to write from here. I've already generated my content, so I'm just going to copy the same content which I've entered right over here and paste it like this. Now after pasting this, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to replace the name of the customer, and for that I'm just going to map it. So I'm just going to put a slash and then search for the name of the customer and map it right over here. After mapping this, I'm just going to move on further. It is saying email content type, this is HTML, so I'm going to select HTML. For the label, I'm going to keep it as inbox. It is saying file names and attachments, so I'm just going to name my file as ebook right over here. Now for the attachment URL, I have already downloaded my ebook, but in order to enter the URL right over here, you have to enter a publicly accessible URL, and for that I'm just going to open my WordPress, and over here from the left hand of the side I'm just going to go towards this media and then library. So what I've done is I have simply uploaded my file, which is the ebook, right over here in the library of my WordPress account, and from here I can get the publicly accessible URL. So I'm just going to show you that this is the ebook which I have already attached right over here, which is Java Notes PDF, and I can directly copy the URL to the clipboard. But over here, if you want to add a new media, what you have to do is you have to go towards this media and you're going to see this add media file. When you go towards this add media file, you can simply upload your media file right over here and then you can download it. You just have to drag and drop your file or select the file right from here, and then you're going to get the publicly accessible URL of the same and you can paste it right over here like I have done. For the signature, if you want, you can definitely enter this. After doing this, click on the save and send test request. Now once you click on the save and send test request, you just have to wait for a few seconds and you can see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this ebook. Alright, so let's go back towards our Gmail and let's go back towards the inbox and we're going to refresh it, and you're going to see we have successfully sent this to testing@pabblytudes.com. Your ebook is ready. Hi testing user, we have successfully received your payment and your ebook is ready. Over here is the attachment which is downloadable too, and yes, over here is the ebook. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever you're going to receive a new sale and someone purchases this ebook from Instamojo, instantly the ebook will be delivered to them on their Gmail, and yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back and again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below, and also the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.